I do it is going to show you how to make your own fresh cards, and you need color slimes, a crayon and an art block. Ask your mommy to help you. We are going to learn the letter I. I is for ice cream. Use a pencil to write the word. Ice cream. Now we have to draw a picture on ice cream here to color up, to finger paint up with color slime. Make the outline bold. We need the bold outlines because you are going to paint with your fingers. I'm going to make the cone orange in color. To get orange, you have to mix red and yellow. Enjoy mixing the colors by pulling or stretching them and folding it back and pull again until you get even color. Now you have got a good orange, and you shall begin painting the cone. This is done by tearing out a small piece and apply it onto the drawing, and then you push the paint with your fingers. Push it slowly, keep on pushing and spreading. You may need to hold the slime a bit longer so that it can spread. Spread it fully to cover the whole cone. I like strawberry ice cream, so I choose red color slime to make the strawberry ice cream. I'm spreading it. Keep on pushing the slime to cover all the white area. Sometimes you have to hold it a long time, and then you will spread and stay. Okay, the coloring is complete. So now I have my ice cream.